G'day. This is going to be a quick review on these little pliers, miniature pliers made by Engineer in Japan. I'll just open them up and we can have a look a little closer. Alright, here they are. If we ever get some focus. There we go. Engineer PS-01, made in Japan. Engineer miniature pliers. Okay, they're a basic set of pliers with vinyl type handles and a coil spring there behind the pivot. They're a needle nose type, and they have serrations inside the gripping portion and a cutting blade there. So PS-01, they're 125mm long with a Rockwell hardness of 58 plus or minus 4, so it could be up to 62 or down to 54 Rockwell, which is not bad. They're not designed for real rugged stuff. Not insulated, and they're not for steel wire. The cutting blades are not for steel wire, so good for small hobby or electronic applications. They are really nice pliers. They are really well polished. Especially this portion here is just so smooth. That is really nice. The handles are very basic but feel good. Spring's nice to have. That's just nice. Beautiful. As mentioned, they're 125mm long, which is around 5 inches and 3/8, 5 3/8 inches long. I primarily got these for what I do. I make bowstrings for archery. I primarily got them for pulling the loose tag ends really tight on my serving, and I'll show you that in a minute. I got them to replace these god-awful things, which is just a crappy multi-tool that I think I got for free, thrown in with some tool or other. So functionally they're fine, but don't like using them, so thought I'd splash out and buy these. These were 35 Australian dollars. Bought them from a store called JCar, which is a consumer electronics store in Australia. See if I can have a closer look at these jaws. I don't know if it's going to let me focus. No. Oh, yeah. Just having a look at the tool. See that lovely polished edge there? It's a really fine tool. Closes fairly well. And the handles. Just basic vinyl type handles, but they do the trick. I'm not going to be clamping anything super hard. Alright, let's give them a go and see how they roll. So yeah, the main reason I got them was this is just a bowstring, and this is the centre serving where you knock the arrow. When finishing it off, just pulling these little tag ends, I needed something to pull them tight, so oh yeah, they work well. Got an older set of fuller Japanese pliers as well, but the serrations are quite worn down, and they definitely don't allow me to grab this serving thread. Let's try this side. Good thing about the long serration is you can get it in there and use the whole length of it to grab that string. So, oh yeah, that's good. Well, there you have it, folks. The Engineer PS-01 miniature needle nose pliers. They're a win in my book, and very happy with the purchase. Catch us later.